and what's called the technical manuscript of emission. Now, but the world is likely in the final lawfare of their fathers in the importance of emissions or so, to shifts in the price movement of BTC. Various cryptocurrency experts have shared their various predictions on the direction. We'll delve deeper into various insights and forecasts shared by prominent figures in the crypto industry to clearly understand the potential bearish and bullish scenarios.
Venture capitalist Tim Draper anticipates Bitcoin's value tripling by the end of 2024, reaching $250,000 by the end of the year. He attributes this growth to inflows into spot, the exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and the upcoming Bitcoin halving. Draper believes that the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States has renewed interest in Bitcoin and provided investors with a more accessible way to invest in the cryptocurrency. He sees Bitcoin as a hedge against devaluing fiat currencies and believes its finite supply and increasing adoption will make it more appealing to the masses.
Draper emphasizes the significance of the fourth halving, stating that it will lead to decrease in supply, increase in demand, and a rise in price. Overall, Draper views Bitcoin as a secure asset against inflation and recommends investors allocate single-digit percentages towards it for hedging purposes.
Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, shares a bullish view on Bitcoin's future, predicting that in the future, Bitcoin will be a more valuable asset than gold. He stated that Bitcoin has the attributes of gold, but many of the defects, making it a superior investment. He predicts that Bitcoin will divert money from other assets, such as the SPDR S&P 500 ETF, and become a popular choice for investment funds.
Saylor also highlighted the upcoming Bitcoin halving, which will reduce the supply of new Bitcoins entering the market, potentially driving up the price to meet investor demands. Kathy Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, is optimistic that the price of Bitcoin has the potential to reach $3.8 million due to rising institutional adoption and the introduction of new ETF offerings. Earlier this year, she forecasted that Bitcoin would reach 1.5 million by 2030, but recent events have greatly improved her forecast.
Another, according to her analysis, investing more than 5% of their portfolios in Bitcoin could potentially generate an extra 2.3 million forecast in value for institutional investors. Ever since the SEC approved spot Bitcoin ETFs for companies like ARK, there has been a sharp increase in demand for Bitcoin, leading to new highs in ETF inflows. Experts in the industry predict that the Bitcoin halving event could increase demand due to a supply shortage, and Wood anticipates that the halving will be similar to previous occurrences during which the price of Bitcoin surged by thousands of percentage points.
She thinks that the financial environment surrounding Bitcoin is only starting to develop and holds significant potential for expansion in the future.
Binance new CEO Richard Tang predicts Bitcoin will surpass $80,000 by the end of the year due to decreasing supply and growing demand. The crypto market is seeing record for highs following the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF in the U.S., with Bitcoin hitting $73,000 last week. As institutional adoption is driving a market rally, leading financial firms like Standard Chartered to raise their year-end Bitcoin target to $150,000. Tang expects more investment from family offices, endowment funds, and Bitcoin ETFs. Despite volatility, the CEO believes the market's ups and downs will ultimately benefit crypto. While other industry experts have put forward their bullish predictions, JP Morgan analysts have taken a more cautious approach on the price of BTC after halving. Their analysts predicted that the upcoming Bitcoin halving event will negatively impact miners' profitability due to reduced rewards and higher production costs. This could lead to a decrease in Bitcoin prices, potentially falling to $42,000 post-halving.
The bank notes that historically Bitcoin production costs have set a lower boundary for its prices. The estimated production cost range is currently around $26,500, which could double to $53,000 post-halving, potentially dropping to $42,000 as the euphoria surrounding the event subsides. A 20% decline in the Bitcoin network's hash rate after the halving could further contribute to the price decrease. Miners with lower electricity costs and more efficient rigs are more likely to survive in this environment, while those with high production costs may struggle. Larger publicly listed miners are expected to have a better chance of enduring this challenging period and increasing their market share post-halving, similar to trends seen in 2022. Currently, BTC price is trading at 64,231.66, having increased by 2.42% in the last day. With a market cap of $1.26 trillion, Bitcoin has experienced a 12.93% in trading and volume to reach $39.59 billion. Again, the upcoming Bitcoin halving is a special event to the community as it partly determines the future of the cryptocurrency. Industry experts have tabled their various views concerning how other halving event could potentially affect the price trajectory of BTC. While some expect a bullish increase due to higher institutional adoption and scarcity, others are more careful, considering possible production decreases and shifts in market dynamics. With the halving event approaching, it is crucial for investors and enthusiasts to stay updated and ready for potential outcomes of the constantly changing cryptocurrency industry.